Lawn tractors and ZTR mowers can make lawn care a lot easier, but servicing them, sharpening blades, and cleaning the undercarriage has been a hassle. Until MoJack makes mower maintenance safe and simple with the new consumer-friendly lift, the MoJack EZ. The MoJack EZ can accommodate most tractor styles and mid-mount ZTR mowers with an outside front wheel measurement of 35.5 inches to 47.5 inches. The adjustable wheel pads can be set to your specific mower for an exact fit. Then just drive it on and crank it up. It's that easy. MoJack literally takes the heavy lifting out of the equation and makes easy work of raising your mower. You can even use a variable speed drill to effortlessly raise and lower your machine. The MoJack EZ features a unique threaded lift system which won't slip if bumped and ensures your mower is secure. The MoJack EZ is made of solid steel tubing, giving it strength and safety, a great alternative to unsteady car jacks or flimsy ramps. It can raise your mower up to 24 inches and can accommodate up to 300 pounds. The MoJack EZ is compact and simple to assemble or store. When you're done, simply pull the release pin and the MoJack folds to a 6-inch height for easy storage. And the MoJack EZ is compatible with the optional workbench attachment. The MoJack workbench gets your push mowers and other small projects off the ground to a comfortable working height.